sun. It's part of our everyday lives. We see it in the sky each day. But what we see isn't all there is to it. Much of what the sun gives to us we can't see. What is observable to us is called visible light, or sunshine. Invisible wavelengths of light are what we can't see. Gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, infrared, microwave, and radio waves are all examples of these invisible wavelengths. Even though we can't see these with our eyes, scientists that study the sun called heliophysicists observe spacecraft orbiting the sun to better understand different wavelengths. The sun also affects us with the solar wind. The solar wind is a stream of hot gas traveling from the sun to Earth. Without any sort of atmosphere, the solar wind would do more harm than good. But because Earth has a magnetic field and an atmosphere, we are almost always protected from it. When a tiny bit of the wind gets through, it creates what we know as the northern and southern lights. Our atmosphere also acts like a shield to protect us from the sun's harmful radiation. Occasionally, the sun has large explosions on its surface called solar flares. These flares can cause storms in the solar wind, and every once in a while, they can disrupt radio, GPS, cell phones, and even cause electrical blackouts. This whole system of the sun and the sun's magnetic field and the solar wind is called the heliosphere. The sun impacts our everyday lives, and we couldn't live without it.